Welcome to this lecture. So in this class, I will solve a problem which is related to my previous class. In my previous class, we discussed terminated ramp input. So this problem is related to that, and also this problem is from previous year question paper of GATE Chemical Engineering 2006. The question is this: the Laplace transform of the input function x of t given in the figure here is the figure. So the Laplace transform of this x of t given in this figure is what? The four options given: A, B, C, D. If I had gone through my previous lecture on terminated ramp, you can solve this problem very quickly. My previous lecture, serial number of the lecture is PC28. You can look for the video PC28 in my channel, PC28 part 25. The link for this is given below. So if I had gone through this PC28, video number PC28, so you can directly find out which is the correct option. Now if I had in that terminated ramp, the Laplace transform, so this obviously relates to the period t greater than this. So this is t equal to 2. This is something like t naught, which I had explained in that previous lecture on terminated ramp input. So for t greater than t naught, for t greater than 2 only, these options are given. And you know from this lecture that the Laplace transform will be difference of two functions, right? Difference of two functions. So we can eliminate some of the options here. For example, B is not difference. This is addition of two functions. So this option is not the correct answer, B. Similarly, C is also addition. So we can eliminate B and C. Then the remaining A and B, there are difference of two functions. And the first term must be the Laplace transform of this MT. MT is Laplace transform is m by s square. That is the coefficient of 1 by s square should be m, the slope. What is the slope here? What is the slope here? The slope is 1 by 2. So the 1 by s square coefficient should be 1 by 2. So that means A is the right answer. So if I understood the concept I had explained in the previous lecture, we can quickly solve this without using any pen or notebook or pencil or paper. So that is the importance of understanding the concepts, and GATE involves not only solving the questions but solving the questions as quick as possible. How quickly you are able to solve the questions. So that is what it matters in competitive exams. So the answer is A, 1 by 2s square, 1 minus into 1 minus e power minus 2s, option A. Option A is the right answer. Anyway, for your verification, so let me write those equations. You go to the previous lecture and write those equations and substitute and see whether you get A, option A. So this is the equation f of s, the Laplace transform for this period is this, m by s square into 1 minus s t naught. And if you substitute m equal to 1 by 2, slope is 1 by 2 and t naught is 2. What are you going to get? 1 by 2 s square into 1 minus e power minus 2s, which is same as option A. Which is same as option A. Option A. Well, we'll see more such problems in the coming lectures. Please subscribe to this channel and get notifications of upcoming lectures. Bye.